All right, so you get the concept of using or not, the optional trick typing solution, calling functions, defining function. Let's talk about the two ways in which you can do parameters, okay? We had positional, we talked about positional. Let's talk about optional positional arguments. Optional means you can or cannot add an argument if you'd like. So we're going to do a message and determine who said it, if anybody, okay? So we'll define a function called sayMessage. First, second, actually these are strings. First, second. This isn't TypeScript, Jesse. This is Dart, silly man. And you'll notice we'll use these array brackets. All right, it looks like an array or a list, but it's not. It's an optional positional argument. It means you may choose to put a parameter in the third position or not. Up to you. So we'll say a string name. Okay? So we're going to assemble here a string message. Okay? We'll say first plus a comma, second. If name does not equal to null, right? We don't have to do equals. We know it's null. They didn't push anything. It defaults to null because Dart is nice like that. It gives us a consistent way of defining null or not, or undefined. Blah, blah, blah. If it's not null, that means somebody chose to utilize the third parameter. If they choose to utilize the third parameter, then we will add it to our message. Said name. Then we will print it out. Okay? So, to utilize it, we may go like this. sayMessage 1 and 2. Aha! Just kidding. You can't do that because those are ints, not strings. Okay. So let's be serious. Yo! Dog. Notice it checks out. Precompilation looks good. Cool. So it prints out yo dog. It's the comma and a space. Alright? Now, we can also say yo dog and utilize the third parameter. Notice there is no error. Either function is good. You can do both if you'd like. Again, it's a third optional parameter. The compiler thinks it's good. We got no problems or worries. Notice it said Jesse with the quotes, right, to say that Jesse said that. So that is how you do an optional parameter. You can also remove these, make everything optional, so it has a message or not. It's up to you. You can do that as well.